What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today, going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So this is just going to be an unboxing and kind of a walk around of the hardware and maybe look at the software a little bit. And I'll come back later and give you my thoughts on it after I use it for a little while. So I ended up picking this up alongside my pre-order for my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung gave me some credits like 100, 150 bucks. So I put that towards the tablet and just only had to add about 50 to 75 bucks. I forget what it was, but that's how I end up getting this. Now I'll have a link in the description where you can pre-order this yourself as well. But let's talk about a little bit of the specs on this. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. This has an 11-inch TFT LCD display, 1200 by 1920. So it has a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, 206 ppi, and it's a 90 hertz display. So this tablet is going to run you about 220 bucks for the version that I have. So it comes in 64 gigabytes of storage with 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is the one I have. That's going to run you $219, or you can get this in 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and that one's going to run you about $269. Now this does have micro SD card support up to 1 terabyte. So, and this has the Snapdragon 695 5G processor with the Adreno 619 GPU, and this is running Android 13 One UI 5.1 out the box, and it should be upgradable to Android 14 as well. Now this weighs 1.61 pounds. It's a plastic build. You're going to have your rear facing camera on here. It's going to be an 8 megapixel 1080 that can shoot 1080 up to 30 frames per second. Your front facing camera is going to be a 5 megapixel and it can shoot 1080 up to 30 frames per second. You got 4 speakers on here, quad speakers, and they're Dolby Atmos. You got a 7,040 milliamp hour battery that's 15 watts charging as well. And this is going to come in 3 different colors: graphite, silver, and navy. I ended up getting the silver one. This also has Samsung DeX too, so I was very surprised at that for a tablet, you know, a lower level tablet to have that. But it doesn't have S Pen support, so those are just a few of the features and details. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So here's the box. You guys see Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Got a picture of the device. Like I said, I got the silver color, I think it's called, and this is the back. So let's go ahead and get this thing open up. Check it out. Get my unboxing knife. I had to look for it here, guys. So here it is. Let's go ahead and cut the tape here. All right. Let's take a look at this. So I have a few tablets that I want to compare this to in the mid-range or budget tablets, and we'll see how this matches up. 4 gigabytes of RAM. This should be good for, you know, your social media, watching videos and stuff like that. This is not going to be a powerhouse of a, oh, it's got tape on this end too. I'm tearing up the box here, guys. I didn't look to see if it had tape over there. So let's go ahead and get that cut. Yeah, I'm just going all out on this. So let's get this out. I didn't think it would be taped to the other side like that, but oh well. Let's get the tablet over to the side. Probably not much in here. You got your yeah, I'm getting trolled on camera big time today. So all right. We got our charging cable, Type-C to Type-C. You're gonna have your little pamphlet here, quick start guide, and you got your micro SD card remover right there. So that is pretty much all in the box. No charger, brick, or anything like that. Now let's go ahead and look at the tablet. Now this is supposed to be made out of plastic from what I read. And you can get some lower tier tablets that's made out of a little bit better quality material. But it feels good right off the bat. You can tell that it's plastic. Very nice looking though, as you guys see here. Very thin, and this is the silver color. Got your Samsung logo there, your 8 megapixel camera right there. And you go on this side, we're gonna have our 2 speakers, Type-C charging port, microphone, and they did leave the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack there. That is very nice. You got your micro SD card slot here. You do have some pogo pins where you can hook up a official keyboard there. This side, you got quad speakers. I forgot to mention that, or did I mention it? Got 2 on this side. And then looking at the front of it, it's already powered on. This is the front. 11-inch TFT LCD display. Got a few bezels here. And then your camera is going to be located in the middle of the tablet, which is great. So since it's powered on, let's go ahead and let it boot up, and then I'll come right back after I get my information in. All right, guys, so we're back in. I put some of my information in, got logged in. I haven't added any apps or anything like that, and this is what the home screen looks like right here. You do have your Google Feed, I guess that's what this is called over here. And the tablet looks pretty good, man. It's not too bad. You know, this is not going to be your high-end tablet. It does have facial recognition. Let's go ahead and try that out behind the camera here. So I'm going to go ahead and, as you guys see, it unlock right away. So facial recognition is not bad here. And you do have some stuff on here. You got Netflix. You got some Microsoft stuff there. Going to have all of your Google stuff, Play Store, Game Launcher. And then getting in right here, let's see, you got Samsung Notes, Files. Oh, didn't mean to open that up. Phone, Messenger, and this will link with your Samsung phones as well. So you'll be able to text, take calls, and stuff like that. Game Launcher, calculator, calendar, clock. You guys see what's all there. So not a whole lot of bloatware. Let's go into the settings and see what's all here. So let's go ahead and check, see how much storage is here. Let's see here. Battery and storage. So out of the 64 gigabytes, 20.6 are being used. So you might want to go ahead and utilize that micro SD card slot. Forgot to mention earlier, here are the volume up and down and power button there. Now this doesn't have a fingerprint sensor on it, so be aware of that. 20 gigabytes there. Now this is running, let's see what this is running. This is running, let's go to software information. So this is on One UI 5.1.1, Android 13. I do believe this is supposed to be upgraded to Android 14. It's on the security patch of August 1st, 2023. Let's go ahead and check and see if we have a software update here. Check that real quick. And there is a update available here. This is going to be this file size is 1.52.05. And this is a security patch here. So I'll definitely go ahead and load that up. But yeah, man, this is what the tablet looks like here. Check out the drop down menu here. So you guys see you're going to have your notifications there. You got stuff like stream record, link to windows, quick share. You're going to have nearby share, smart view, dark mode there, which I have activated. You got your modes here. And then, of course, Samsung DeX. So let's go ahead and jump into DeX. Pretty neat that a tablet on this level has Samsung DeX, which is a desktop type environment. So you're going to have all of your DeX stuff over here where you can jump in, get to your quick toggles. Got a quick way to get to your calendar there. You can see all of your notifications. You can adjust your volume there. You can take a screenshot. Over here, it's going to be all of your open apps. And then you got all of your apps right here as well. So I think this is very neat to have Samsung DeX on this tablet. So in order to get out of DeX, you just hit the exit. And then this will take you right back to your tablet form right there. And now you're just in regular operating tablet mode here. So Very nice features right here. So seems to be pretty smooth. The colors look pretty good on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the wallpapers and stuff. Like I said, I'll come back and do a better, do a whole review on it. So you got all your stuff here, different wallpapers and things like that. And so far with the 4 gigabytes of RAM, it doesn't seem like it's, hesitating or, stuttering too much. It seems pretty responsive for something in this price range. Very thin, good looking device. I do like the little two-tone different colors here. And it's plastic, but it feels like a very good plastic in the hand. 11-inch display, going to be good for watching your movies, YouTube, social media and stuff like that. So I'll come back in a few days and let you guys know what I think about it. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Will H. I'm out.